With having just finished our roofing job and being kind of in between jobs right now, we thought it'd be a perfect time to keep working on the siding. We got to finish up our trim work. There's still, you can see some loose siding up there, and we have these little aluminum trim pieces that we need to put up. Just along the top, right? Yep, it's just along the top edge. I'm going to pull the ladder out and start screwing those in. Quick, easy job, but it has to be done before we can paint. The hardest part is right here because I got to drill through the window flange. Since the trim is more or less tidied up, I'm going to keep going on washing. We have a lot of new siding on here, so there's only bits and pieces that need washing, but those that do need it badly. I'm pulling out our Ryobi battery powered pressure washer. I'm going to give it another try. We're going to use some soap first, and I'm going to soak the siding, and then we're going to blast it off. So we'll see how this goes, get some cleaning done. I'm using some cleaner first. This is not the pressure washer. We're gonna go over this side again, see if it gets any better. Sorry for blocking the view. This might splash back a little. Let me just get some water on it. How's that looking?
Working so good, you know?
Yeah.
screw so
It's like
weird
a
there?
buckle in it. I don't know.
Cool, right?
You're gonna get splashed. You might want back up. Tiring my arm out.
That's awesome. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Hasn't been that clean in probably decades.
Coming off.
Yep.
There's my battery.
Well, that was a lot, you know.
I feel like we did quite a bit. I was surprised how long it went.
This is the new siding that we replaced. And this was the old stuff. And this was really filthy. So we got all that clean.
Plus that top, that was really dirty.
Up there's all old and we got that cleaned off.
I know the battery life on these is pretty low. We have two 4 amp hour 40 volt batteries that run this pressure washer. For a tool that's running continuously, that was a good battery life. If I had another set of batteries, imagine we could have just done double and pretty much done one side of the house. Almost a full side.
Yeah.
I really keep thinking about picking up a second battery or a second 2 batteries. And it might seem like a hassle, but I love the convenience of battery power. So I'm not disappointed at all. And we're not in a rush. If we have to charge the batteries and come back and finish this later, not a big deal.
Yeah.
Well, we just made it home, and that's all we really have to do at the mobile home today. We're gonna take a little break. We're taking it easy right now. After the big jobs, like doing that roof, where we're working every day for like almost 2 weeks, I felt like it was just a long project. It looks so simple, but it takes us a long time. We're kind of slow, and it's a lot of work. So we like to take a little slowdown to refresh before we get into the next big project, so we're not just like pushing.
Yeah.
I'm half in between right now on starting the ceiling and starting the paint.
Yeah.
Inside, outside. We have 2 jobs. We are ready for both. So
Yep.
we'll see what we feel like doing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.